go, boys. At least we're leaving on a very positive note. Such a start.
I'd rather have this be the order of the finish.
Yes, preferably the finish.
Just in time to take height.
Sure, it's
Okay, not bad then. We left Itajai in first position out of the mark, so we did a pretty good job in the start. Then we sailed for a couple of hours in very light wind, like 2 knots to maximum 4 knots. It was very light. Maffer overtook us. We are now in second position, so very good. All the fleet is, as always, very compact, so it will be a big fight for the lead from now to Newport. I'm pretty sure about it.
Morning, Almo.
So how was the first night back out here?
It's refreshing, really. All the noise has gone away.
Yep, back into the rhythm. This is where we belong. Out here.
Yeah, I had some sleep, so not so bad. The last leg was totally different, was cool, not a lot of sleep, a lot of time on the deck, pushing out the boat was totally different condition. Now it's more relaxing. And in any case, we have to be focused on the sails, on the trimming, so a bit better in any case.